Alright, so we're going to do the experiment just a little different this time. We got the alternator, of course, hooked up to the voltmeter, which is slowly climbing due to the capacitors, but alright, we'll make this one quick. Alternator runs down both of its channels, which are both connected to alligator clips. One black, one red, one black, one red for each individual output, and all four run to this pill bottle, which has two piggy-backed full-wave bridge rectifiers in it, which convert these two separate channels of AC into one single-phase DC, which runs up through four Sprague 200 volt max DC capacitors, 10,000 UF apiece, and the wires from this run up to the clips for the voltmeter. And let's see what we can get here. Barely spinning it with my finger. We're getting 17 volts and climbing. Speed it up a little bit. And once again, this is barely any RPMs. And we're up to 26 volts. And we speed it up a little bit more. And it'll store energy, of course, due to the capacitors being in there. Figured I'd stabilize the voltage to make this test a little easier. Let's really pick things up here. Give it one good wing. Another good wing. Let's see if I can rate this here a little better. Forgive me for that one. Make this camera a little better. Here we go. Oops. So that last spin got it over 90. We'll do min, max, and average. Without a cameraman, but you get the idea. And we'll hold. So our max was 92.7 volts DC. Our minimum was 85.8, and our average was 88.8. Okay. Now, that's DC current, fully usable to charge a battery, which would be way over voltage. But Ohm's law does apply because it's an alternator, so it's safe to assume that the DC current at 80 volts would be at 40 amps. So I'm going to have to rig up some sort of a voltage regulator for this, because the the relay that I have is a 40 amp relay. So, I don't want to end up blowing that relay, but let's take the energy out of these capacitors and dump it into this AC light bulb. Come on, there we go. And that's how about 80 volts DC will light up a 120 AC bulb. Alright, just wanted to do this short video just to show you the effect of all both two channels of AC current running into two piggy-backed full-wave bridge rectifiers to make it single-phase DC through capacitors, etc., etc. I think that's pretty impressive. It's the best I've pulled off on an alternator, but please feel free to leave your comments. If you have any pointers, please let me know. I'm all ears, and thanks again for watching. Have a good night.